Today I'm about to show you a simple, quick, and easy method on how these faceless accounts are blowing up and earning $10,000 and more a month selling digital products. I'll be teaching you the exact step-by-step strategies that they use so that you can implement them today and start earning money online. What's up guys, this is Bana Digital and welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up, thank you. I'll be showing you steps that you can use to start selling digital products online. I'll walk you through step-by-step methods on how to sell an online digital product, including the exact strategy these faceless channels are using to earn $10,000 a month without showing their faces. This strategy I'm about to show you are completely faceless, meaning you won't have to promote anything on your personal page. You will only focus solely on providing value and building your audience to drive sales. Step 1. Identify your niche. This process does not need to be overcomplicated at all and shouldn't take up too much of your time to figure out. I don't know if you know this, but many people turn to Google when they are searching for products. In fact, there are about 8.5 billion searches in general every single day on Google, and what we're going to be doing is tapping into those searches. We are going to offer these people the products they are searching for, and in my opinion the absolute best one that will get you the most profit. So now let me show you how to find the best niche and the right product to sell. First, head over to Google Gemini and create a free account. And the reason I'm using Google Gemini instead of ChatGPT is because they are similar, but Google Gemini leverages the Google search engine. So here what I will say to Gemini: I want to start a faceless channel and also sell digital products along with it. Provide me with 20 profitable niche ideas. And as you can see, it has given 20 promising niches that we can use, and it's showing what approach we can take in these niches that will help us to stand out rather than just doing generic basic things. Step 2. Creating your products yourself. By now I'm sure you have figured out what niche you want to create valuable content around, and what digital products you want to sell. If we take a look at this account, we can see that they sell recipe ebooks about health and wellness. So, that is what we'll be doing in this video. Let's also create a course on health in Gemini list, creating recipe ebooks, and you can make it downloadable ebooks, but again you want to make sure you are targeting a specific audience. Now let me show you how this works. I will be using Canva to create our recipe ebook for you to see. Let's dive into it. Once you are logged in, we're going to come up here to the search bar, and if you decide you want to do something like recipe ebooks, you can type that in here and it will give you so many options to choose from. All you have to do is find one you like, hit customize, and then once you're in here you'll be able to do things like change the color, of course, change the words. It's pretty much as simple as that. Step 3. Getting MRR and PLR products that you can resell. Let's delve into acquiring MRR and PLR products. If you're unfamiliar with these terms, MRR stands for Master Resell Rights, while PLR stands for Private Label Rights. These are types of digital products that enable you to resell them. With MRR, you can resell the product along with the resale rights, while PLR allows you to modify and sell the product as your own. Both MRR and PLR offer a convenient way for you to enter the market with your own products without having to create them from scratch. This makes them an appealing option, especially if you're eager to get started quickly and avoid the time-consuming process of product creation. Now, let's explore your options for acquiring MRR and PLR products from various sources, each with its unique offerings. IDPLR. This membership-driven platform offers a lifetime access deal, providing unlimited entry to an extensive catalog of PLR and MRR items. Big Product Store. As a dedicated MRR membership site, Big Product Store offers a wide range of categories and ensures its library continually expands with new content each day. PLR Database. This platform caters to those seeking free PLR products. It offers a generous variety of materials, from ebooks and articles to software, all at no cost. In addition to these platforms, you can explore alternative options like Etsy and Smashwords, which provide a range of digital products that may include PLR and MRR options. Step 4. Once your product is ready, the next step is to establish your digital product store. Two highly recommended user-friendly platforms for beginners are Beacons.ai and STEY Store. The links to these platforms are provided in the video description. But for the purposes of this video, Beacons.ai will be used because it's completely free to get started with. Begin by setting up a new account on Beacons.ai and proceed to add your digital products to your store. Now, next is setting up your Instagram faceless account. If you've ever created an Instagram account, you'll be using the exact same process. Just be sure to choose a name that is relevant to your niche and include an enticing bio with relevant keywords to your Instagram, a call to action, and of course, a link to your digital product store. The final step is to drive traffic to your products by focusing on creating value-packed content. Utilize free platforms like Pixels or Canva to generate content for your faceless account, adding text and sound as needed. Ensure all your content provides valuable information relevant to your niche. When starting out, aim to post 2 to 3 reels per day and 5 stories, while also engaging with other accounts in your niche. This helps the algorithm understand who to show your content to. If you're interested in a comprehensive guide on building a faceless account and creating content to attract customers, leave a comment below. I'll make sure to create a detailed one for you. So, there you have it, a complete step-by-step strategy for selling digital products online without revealing your face. Remember, success in this digital space is attainable for anyone who implements the right strategies and remains consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be releasing weekly videos to assist you on your journey to earning passive income online in this digital realm.